¿Dónde está mi puertorriqueños? Okay, that means where are my Puerto Ricans? That's right, I'm kind of fluent in Spanish. Evaporated milk. I'm joking, okay? I just know a few words. Now we come behind with some sweetened condensed milk. This is the thick one, all right? Now, Coquitos are super popular in Puerto Rico. Do they make it the way we're making it? Probably. This is a Puerto Rican recipe. So somebody's grandma makes it like this. Hit it with some rum, all right? Now you come behind with some vanilla extract. That's vanilla that's been extracted. I don't know what that means. Come behind it with some cinnamon. What does vanilla extract even mean? Why is it extracted? Where's it extracted from? Nutmeg, like the ground? Do you know? I'm looking at someone who's supposed to be a genius and she's staring back at me. Okay, now we pour this into our little container and we're good to go. You let it sit a little bit, okay? You don't drink it right away. You let it sit. Let the ingredients get together. Put a little cinnamon stick on top of that. And it's good to go. Sprinkle on some nutmeg. Coquitos are to die for. Stay